were singing happy birthday when I walked down there, and you told me Mrs. Blockhead's birthday was yesterday. So
better cut yourself some cake. It's time to celebrate. Happy birthday, birthday.
how do you pronounce the name? Raj?
Raj.
With a J's?
Yes, R-A-J.
Okay, Raj.
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 Like badge with a J.
Yes.
Got it.
Alright, what's up, Blockhead? Riding with me here is Photogromer.
Yellow.
So much wind noise when you look over this way.
This way? You getting it?
Oh my god.
Kenna sent me this neck scarf thing. It's just perfect. I should have brought it. I don't have a beard like you.
You gotta grow the beard, man. Grow the beard.
I had a good beard, and then the wife said she didn't like it, and you know how that is. Yeah.
Man card was overruled.
It was. You got to turn those in. There's a certain point in your life you realize that you're no longer a man. You're now just a husband and a dad. I've hit both of those moments in my life.
Happy life, happy wife. That's what they say, right?
Yep. Gotta keep them happy. What's going on, my YouTubers? So Blockhead did his YouTuber thing. I gotta do my YouTuber thing. Raj, you gonna do a YouTuber thing?
I don't have a YouTuber thing.
No intro? Okay. We're out here in Orlando. I'm on Mrs. Blockhead Grom here. It is a white one because apparently that's all I ride is white Groms now.
It's cute. It's cute.
Yeah, I guess. Actually, white, if you're gonna buy a Grom, white is the best color of any bike because it's the best photographed bike, because glare won't shine off of it. It's easy to edit. So saturation, you're not gonna worry about that with like reds. So if you want to buy a bike that's gonna look good in photos, white.
It does have a little bit of like the red clay and mud on it.
Yeah, I was gonna say we'll add to that today.
Take that saturation away.
Yeah,
Right?
give me a second. I'll scrape that off. The last time I was in Orlando was the Florida Mega Meet, which was a couple of years ago. We had a Grom Mega Meet in Florida in Orlando, and I decided to do stoppies because I thought I was a stunner, and this happened.
It's like the cutaway scenes from fucking Family Guy where they go back in time and they're hanging out and they're just like, what's happening?
And remember you had an Irish coffee the day we went to see Philadelphia?
Oh, they're setting up cutaways. Oh my god, is that what we did back then?
Oh, look in front of us.
Look at the rain, dude.
All right.
Oh no. No.
We originally were gonna go to FLMM location, which is at Ace Cafe. I knew it was.
Are we still going there?
We got to hang a Larry. I think we're going to 7-Eleven now. Who's coming with me? I'm going.
Yep, I'm going. Go.
I'm going. This is coast to coast work here, man. You see the wall of rain, you go. All right. Anyway, we're gonna go check out the Ace Cafe, but there's a wall of rain ahead of us, so we're gonna go hide like cowards. We're not real riders. It's happening. It's happening.
Wearing flannel. Oh, the big drop. That guy's laughing at us.
So if you guys plan on coming down for the Florida Moto Meet, just
nope, that was a mistake.
Just know it doesn't rain.
It doesn't rain in November.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're still getting wet.
Yeah, this won't happen.
Backing up. Boop, boop. All right. Anyway, I'm in Orlando because I'm doing headshots, and while I was here, I figured stop by Mr. Blockhead's attire. And why did I say attire? That's not a thing. That's.
You're stopping by what I'm wearing. You want a flannel, bro?
I'm looking. Both of you guys are wearing flannel. How do you get the memo? So now I'm like.
I can give you some Blockhead attire. Oh, you already got some Blockhead. You got that shirt. 93 Dead Dinos.
I mean, I got a flannel. I just didn't know. I don't know. I should have.
You did not receive that memo.
I didn't think we were wearing a flannel today.
Flannel.
I'm still
Hashtag flannel crew. Hashtag lumberjack.
So anyway, we're here in Orlando, and we were gonna go over to Ace Cafe where the Florida Mega Meet is gonna be happening. But
Florida Moto Meet.
Motovlogger meet.
You need a script or a teleprompter.
Hey, listen to me. The power of editing is amazing. We were gonna go over to Ace Cafe where the Florida Moto Meet is gonna be happening.
That's right.
You see this beautiful face right here? Are you gonna be walking around with this attire? Is this what we're gonna see? Is this what people are traveling down to see? Is this beautiful attire with the helmet on the whole time? Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna have the little crack?
Yeah. my little oxygen supply.
If we do it, can we move it to like July and August so it's like unbearably hot? So if we're taking odds and bets if you're gonna pass out. Like, it's 2:30. He's going down.
They say the people in Southern California do that. They'll wear their helmets the entire time, and they have like cooling packs and cooling like things around their neck and all that. You start seeing them stumble a little bit, and you're like, We will be doing a face reveal. It's gonna be me live, right? So if you guys want to have a face reveal, I won't be wearing my helmet.
Nice. So if you want to see the Blockhead, and I've seen it, for an Asian guy, very attractive. Don't let the beard and the lumberjack attire fool you. Once he takes it off, Bruce Lee looks just like him. So there's no official ride for the meetup, correct?
No.
Okay.
Not doing a ride portion, just
So Grom guys, Blockhead, he's more mature than me, and he has things about liability, which I understand. You know, I'm not going to have an official ride, but we will be in town. The Tampa Grom squad and the Groms will be, plus obviously people from other Grom squads and location, will be in town in Orlando from Friday to Sunday. And guess what we're doing during that time? Riding. So we'll be at the event the whole time, but we're definitely going to be riding before hours, after hours. So if you guys want to watch me loop out in person, come on down. We'll put together a little ride. Nothing official.
no doing stoppies in front of Photogromer, guys.
Yep.
No stoppies in front of him, because that seems to be his kryptonite for some reason. So we can't cross over that way, so we gotta...
U-turn?
Oh, no, there's a way.
All right, what? Oh, come on, Raj. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down sidewalks now. We can flip a bitch here. Come on. Let's be legal.
Yeah, jump the curb.
Okay.
Damn, this thing is tall.
Oh, Blockhead did it without crashing.
Shut up.
This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this.
Is that the new stereotype?
That's how I made a whole brand of loopies from crashing so much. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna adopt it and accept it. I'm the guy known for crashing.
Can you hear him?
I mean, I can hear you a lot better.
Oh, okay.
Where's your mic?
Hey, where is your mic? Mine?
Yeah.
Mine's like right at the cheek pad.
Oh, you didn't put it in front of your face? Well, I just shove it in my mouth sometimes. And just like,
Are you eating right now?
and demonetized. Have you ever turned on your closed caption on YouTube and like listened to or read what it's what it's trying to understand? Yeah.
The automatic captioning shit?
Yeah. I urge you guys to turn on right now. Stop what you're doing. Turn on closed captioning while we finish this motovlog.
Listen to the wonderful sounds of us saying the word fish stick. Fish stick.
Yeah, I like fish sticks. What's the big deal?
What are you, a gay fish?
Oh man, I'm moist. I can't wait to show up to this trade show like this.
Are you actually going to the trade show right after this?
Yeah, I'm setting up tonight.
Oh no.
Look at my shoe. It wasn't that dark before.
Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel the puddle under my toes.
Hey, green light. Go. Oh my god, they're going. Don't go. There's an ambulance.
Don't go, ambulance. Don't go. Let's go.
Just kidding, Cameron.
You know, how you guys are narrating that is exactly what must go on in cars when I'm trying to fucking pass them. Oh yeah. Raja drives an ambulance, by the way.
Oh yeah? I like that big horn and the driving on the wrong side of the road. I feel like I'd be an ambulance driver just for that. I don't want to actually save people. I just want to drive the ambulance.
That's exactly what an ambulance driver would do.
He would like...
You just have like an EMT and a medic in the back to actually do the life-saving stuff.
So they do nothing but drive.
Yeah, I mean, that would be what was commonly referred to as like an EMR.
Multiple victims laying out. They're like, hey, hold this. And I'm like, nope, driver, can't get out of the seat.
Driver, put your fingers in his carotid artery.
No. I just got a sub. I don't have hand sanitizer. I'm good. Look, here's some first responders.
Oh, shit.
They're waiting for EMTs right now.
No.
I'm off duty.
It's like we all have that fucking friend. When we first started out, we were all like, yeah, somebody's choking, let me help you. And now we're like, somebody will be like, hey, my friend's an EMT. We'll be like, shut the fuck up, Dave. This is why we don't fucking take you places.
I mean, I personally, if I was gonna die, wouldn't want to have my last moments, have this guy in a flannel pulling up on a scooter trying to save my life. Just let me look at the sky, enjoy my last moments. I need someone named Raj coming over me with a flannel shirt, telling me everything's gonna be okay.
Soaking wet.
Yeah, soaking wet, tripping on me.
You're like, no, I can help you. Like, get the fuck away from me.
Had a perfect view of the sky, now I got water in my eye.
Oh, no, stop making out with me. No, stop.
Okay.
Oh. What do you do to your face again?
Once again.
Remember that noise that we were making? We were talking about Photogromer putting the mic in his mouth? That's what I do.
I just want to drive, guys. That's all I want to do. Just drive the ambulance.
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's honestly, that for a long time. That was like my favorite part of the fucking job.
It sounds like a gay old time. So what are we doing? We're talking about the Florida Moto meet. So is it Motovlogger meet or Moto meet?
Well, it's a Motovlogger meet, but yeah, we just shortened it down to Moto meet because Motovlogger is a very long word.
That is?
And not only that, but it's a little exclusive of those who don't have a GoPro on the front of their camera.
Camera?
Everybody should have a GoPro on the front of the camera. Just in case, you know, insurance homie.
If you're a aspiring motovlogger and you want the best tips and tricks, show up to the Moto meet.
If you want just the tips, go with some contact.
It's Raj Davaj.
Raj Savaj.
Hey, there's a big bike in the back of this truck up here.
Big motorcycle?
Yeah, looks like a stunt bike. He doesn't know who's behind him.
The Crash Master?
Yeah. He looks in his rearview mirror. I'm just, ah! Orlando, we're back.
You're like yell loopy as you're looping. Dude, you should try that. Like next time you fall, just remember to yell loopy while you're falling.
Don't forget to pick up your loopy. Oh, fuck me. But anyway, I think what's cool about this meetup is the diversity. Diversity, that's the word. I was going to re-record it later. Diversity.
It was going to be one of your words that you record in the garage. I think that's the name of a ship. Diversity. Over with the Mayflower, right?
Diversity, yeah. Diversity landing on Plymouth Rock. See? Fucked up rock, too. Anyway, the diversity of this group's going to be cool. We got Dank Wheelie, big bike. Do It With Dan, big bike. We got me, Groms. Blockhead, he's kind of a Grommer now, but also Harley guy. Shade Tree Surgeon, he's got KTM. He's got, what does he do, Triumphs?
Triumph, yeah.
Yeah. Doesn't matter what you ride. If you can ride anything down there, from a scooter, literally a 49cc scooter, to no, Ruckus is now. No, just kidding.
Doesn't matter what you ride, but no Ruckus. For the love of two wheels, unless you're on a Ruckus.
Yeah. Anyway, Ruckus can come too. But it doesn't matter what you ride, from scooter to give me the biggest bike in the Harley world.
Well, I don't know, like ultra classic sport glad. Yeah, there you go.
To that big monster. Come on down, right here, Ace Cafe. Do we park with the big bikes?
Yes, right next to them, obnoxiously close.
Okay.
Awkward. No? No?
No,
You don't hang out with us? Be our friends.
Harley guys, we're people too. I'm telling you, cross country. Look at Blockhead. He's way over there. He doesn't want to be seen next to him.
It's like I don't fucking know these guys.
Yeah. Diversity, Blockhead. It was one of the words.
Diversity is the name of a large Spanish ship.
Anyway.
So yeah, so basically we're going to have this entire lot on November 17th, and we're going to fill it up with vendors, we're going to fill it up with motovloggers, fill it up with some stunts, you know, dudes doing stunts like Photogromer and looping out.
No.
Yeah.
I'm looking at this. There's like hills, and there's declines and inclines and bricks, and look, little rocks and a fire hydrant.
Outside, they're going to have food. They're going to have a grill going outside as well.
That's where the food's coming from.
Yeah, and then inside also it's a full restaurant.
Full restaurant.
So actually, why don't we go inside and we'll show you guys the inside of Ace Cafe and.
I'm gonna make a video right now. I want y'all to like ride around because I got the GoPro.
Yep.
Connected.